because I need to do that for encoding, something like that. Ang kanay ka bata, kuya. Ang kanay ka bata. Hi si mama mo.
Ha?
Hi si mama mo.
Angkot.
Ha?
Angkot.
Nag-uli pa sa iyo? Si mama mo? Bata ka man ni Mama Joanna? Pero nag-uli siya na, ano oras nag-uli? Gabi eh.
Angkot.
Nagtatrabaho si mama mo? Hi man. Pero nag-uli pa doon. Nag-uli. Okay. Niyan bara si mama mo. Okay. Oh my god. That's why I need to household something like that. Because house here is having some house walking distance. A lot apart, something like. Ang hirap i-explain pag English kasi. Mababas naman tayo ng mga spelling perfect sa grammar. Oh my god. Sorry, excuse me. Ayan na. Sir Fred, keep walking. Good afternoon, yes. Walking is part of my job. You called making a house call, yeah. House call. First like, thank you so likes. Thank you so like. My god, that's why I walk a lot. You know what? No need to scooter going here. No scooter allowed. Something like that. Thank you so likes. My skin getting dark. Walking under the sun. I have no right arty-arty. So that's why my foreigner likes me because I'm not maarty. Walking like this, something like that. So why should Guan? That's why you're so skinny. Yes, that's why I'm so skinny. That's why I'm skinny, because I walk a lot. Because the house I need to talk far. My god, far. Blurry. Oh my god, blurry. Sorry, the signal, the internet connection is too slow. Oh my god, sorry. Blurry. Sorry, Mr. Mount. Water, clear water here, the river. Oh, hope she's here. My god. Oh, my vegetable, yes. Like, subscribe. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Matt. Oh, my vegetable. Tao, princess! Tao po! Tao po! People here! Tao pa, intet? Excuse me? No people. That's why, look. Tao po! Intet? My God. Tao po! No people, my God. Tao po! No people, sorry. My God! Waste time to go here. Excuse me. Where's your boss? I'm talking to the dog. Where's your boss? Oh, poor dog. She's so skinny. Where's the people here? Oh my god. What the heck? So hot. I need to go because there are not only sadyain me here. Thank you, Mr. Matt. Welcome, 20 viewers. Don't forget to tap the screen and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Mr. Matt. Tap the screen. Even you are lurking. The lurking is don't like me. Some is one of my his the favorite the favorite enemy. Ah shit, the favorite monkeys. Annabelle. Thank you, 11 people. Hi, number one security. Yeah, I'm always doing good, Bama. You still in the Philippines? Yeah, of course. I'm not going anywhere. Hi, Bama, in the Philippines. Hi. Hi, Shaifu. Sorry. All that walking for nothing, yes. Walking for nothing. Out of pocket a few months. Lol, you doing okay? I'm walk a lot for nothing. Holy shit, Bama, where you been? From Sir Fred. Hey, Cheryl. Hi, Bama. Thank you for joining. Number one security. Hi. Oh my God. I'm going here for nothing. My goodness. What the heck? My God. Not even getting paid for that. Yes. Even not getting paid. It's fine. I'm a community service, public servant here. Oh my God. I want to get the banana. The banana is already ripe. Look. But the banana is not mine. The banana is ripe. Look. Already yellow. Oh, but if I get that, I'm safe. I'm a scammer. Real scammer. No one can say, but oh my God. Do you think I scam like that? Of course, if you don't know me, you easy to judge me because I'm looking poor. Too much poor. Ugly. Disordinary one. Take some, no? Hi. Naimod mo si Princess? Ah, hi na. Wala dito. Ano ko kunta? Di, nang balaybayan nila. I don't know Kara. Mao nga ni. Mao nga sabi ni Andy kaya kinada ako kunta. Wala tao doon. Naghiran ang duwa. Naghiran. Si Andua. No, mga bata niya paano pag-eskwela? Ha? Asintit ang mga bata paano? Aray ko. Upudan man. Upudan niya pero nagbabangkagan. Aray ko. Mag-asawa talaga ha. Di na talaga nawaron. Hiriran sa nagmamahala na. Like 6. Thank you for the like. That's not called scamming. Taking banana is called stealing. Stealing. My father don't like that. Even we have a coconut tree. If not yet harvest, no need to get the what do you call this book for coconut milk, something like that for coconut milk, coconut juice. So that's why when someone calling me, if someone said I is coming with my fiance, what if? She said, what if? No proof. In the future, what if? What if she said, what if I scam once? What if? What if popong ko yung, ano mo? Spreading lies is one. Spreading lies without a fact is like, ew. You need to trust. Trash. trust. She said, what if? Hope not happen. Hoping. She said, no, she wouldn't lie. Yes, she always said, selling that. She said, actress, yes, best actress. She, she describing herself, not everyone. Oh my God, what if? Her scenario is so on her mind is she giving to the partner advice something like that in a relationship. But if hope some hi Glidiotrix, thank you for joining. But I think people nowadays they don't like drama. They just want good vibes because in real life a lot of drama now. Yes. Inanap ko sintit. Sintit. Pa Manila ang ani-anihan ko na larga. No west for drama nowadays because people real life na is full of kwan. Every day is struggle, something like that. Just enjoy your life. No worries about others. Enjoy. Chill, chill. Hello, Glejo Chicks. How are you from Sir Fred? Pera lugtok. Naimod mo sintet? Sintet? Naimod mo? Oh my God.
Malila ko nito.
Mangoya nga ni. Nya. Mabada. Maulang. You're right, Cheryl. Let us just come in peace. Huh? Marian. Hi, Marian. Joke. No joke. The jackfruit. We have jackfruit tree right behind our house. Ah, okay. Ah, so hard working. Kaya si Princess. Ay, umalis na. Kaalis lang. Ayun ko sana ang national ID niya. Number man lang.
Picturean na lang.
O, pwede pa no? Kung siya makontak.
I-chat mo, please expire. Ay, sarano.
Ada
pa lang doon natin. Ikaw na nakatakan.
Ama. Ngahali pa lang.
Natawad.
Ay. Nagagi ako didi kanina. Nagtambay siya didi. Ali dito sa kanira. Pero didi siya nag-stay. Okay, nagagi ako. Oo, nagagi ako kanina didi. Papa, nag-ingkod ako. Mga household didi. Kaya po may national ID. Oh my God. This person, the couple fight each other, and the woman go to Manila, and then when I talk to the husband of this woman, he said they argue each other, and her and his wife going to Manila because something like that. Oh my God. They have a kids. So I need to adjust because I understand that some couple fight and argue. But I think they are married. Hope they fix it. Because they have a kids. My God. Not only one, not two, not three, maybe four kids, I think. They're still young. That's why. Easy. Yeah. Oh my God. She have boyfriend in Manila. I don't know. I told to the husband, cheating, something like that. He said confidently, yes, she cheated on me. Oh my God. What the fuck? What the heck? I asked the husband, have a third party? Your wife is have another man? He said, yes. She cheated on me. I look at them. Oh my gulay. She mad. He mad. He want to his kids for him to taking care of him. So that's good. The husband is good. He's hardworking. But I don't have any comments about the wife because I have no right. Nagagi di disintet? Nagagi di disintet? Asawa ni Ande?
Pangina na. Pangina mga alas G.
Ay, Madiel.
Dere ano, mapamalarga ko nung nga nito niyan. Anong ko national ID niyan? ID. National ano, ay number kay main ko dako niyan. Oh, wala sarado. Sabi ni Dadto ali ako sa ila pasakay.
Ura doon sa Karangina.
Ay daw.
Ora. Sabi ni manay ni na Kapamanila nga ni ko no, nahali pa lang ko no taod-taod.
Oh, bakit ko nakadito?
Abade. Bade mabutang ko pa. If she was my wife, she would be buried. I need to be careful because I don't want to Mike mad at me. I don't like. No, I respect my fiance. I'm behave. I'm behave. Some Filipino are good here. That's why two kind people abuse the good one, the bad one. something like that. So that's why. Okay, siya, we'll see you later. Okay po. Thank you, Sir Fred. I'm too close at home. Goodness. Ano, ciao, Sir Machao. Have a good walk. Thank you. Hi. Hi, Sir. Hi, Sir Mitch. Just home. So, kuhaan. Hoy, ang silpo naman niya. Sus, doon naman kamo nagbapara ribokson doon. Nagturog doon si Papay. My God. Hi, boss lady. Me, I'm not a boss lady. Maybe wifey. A lady. I don't like a boss. Woman always boss. Or one woman. It depends. It depends the situation. But if the woman make a mistake, she's not the boss. She's one. She's like one. not only not always a woman boss. Oh my God. Bye. Uy, uy, dito kami sa ano. Marabuhan ng cellphone mo. Ano ba eh? Ano? Ano ba pa eh? Ano? 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 Ano ba? Ano pa eh? Ano? Sherry, hindi na ako kilala. Napagalang ka. Hindi ano kami nung doon. Hindi ano kami nung parang ba kami ang pangpang. Ang taon. Ang pangpang. Gusto mo mga taon. Gusto mo Diyos. Ha? Hindi. Ha? Di ka na mag-ano para di ka makapoy. Doon ka lang, hindi lang. Ha? Ano rin? Amerikano? Sa Amerika. Si Mike. Mauli na ito si Mike. Mga kanina ito. Hi, Mark. September pa. Kaya sabi niya, magpakusog-kusog ako na. Para makarelax ka. Mano ka. Mano. Mano ko po. Grace. Ano kang Grace? Ano kang Grace? Na ano? Makarigos. Makarigos. Pag-abot na ni Ben. Malabas ni Ben ha. Hindi na.
Trabaho.
Thank you, Sir Mitch. Turong na tayo. Turong na. Para sa dano. Pag-abot na lang na din ha. Turong na. Init. Init sa Philippines. Hot. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, Sir Mark, Sir Mitchell. Need to work by because work. Cheryl, stop. By yesterday you were busy. Always busy. Always busy, Sir Jeff. Hello, are you pretty young lady? I'm fine. You were doing work. Yes. Hi, Fred from Sir Jeff. How's Camille? How Camille? She's so pretty. How about you? Okay. The heck? I think 17 million in the house. Oh, where is short, Cheryl? Where is short? Where is short? Short. What do you mean? I'm wearing short. Why I can't run? Mike, a lucky man. I'm also lucky with Mike. I'm also lucky with him. I'm lucky woman for Mike. For my Mike. Hi, Macha. Hello, are you pretty young lady? Live in France. Paris, France. Would you like to visit my country? If my hubby want to go there, yes, we go there. We need to going both there. We are partners, so that's why. Mitchell, how are you doing? My brother from Sir Fred. From Sir Jeff. From Sir. Where? Oh my god, I forgot. Where's that one? Oh shit. Hot weather here, so much hot. sa lights. Ham. This is the sound. Ang tagal naman ito. So we always make my heart Too quiet. That quiet, yeah. Thank you, just busy. Busy so much.
afternoon, Marvin. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Patingin mo na. Patingin.
Hello, hi Sean.
Jesus is God, yes.
Bye-bye.